Hey, what's up, world? It's your boy here. Recently I've just been in the garden. It's been my Zen mode. It's been really helping me out, just talking to plants, watching them grow, seeing their whole everything. My choice of plants are different in variety. This one I want to showcase is this plant I love to call Pajin. Me and Pajin, we've been homies for a very long time. You can say respectfully, she very nice. She went through a lot. Some people treat her right. So most times she's distributed in the side that you see her, she's always broken down in some kind of way, by finger or by equipment, some kind of way. But you don't really get the opportunity to really see what she really goes through. Some people have to choose. It's like the moment that she respectfully, I don't mean but this is the reality from what I was told. If she's a he, then we snatch. So if you a boy, you get yoked up. But let me tell you something about this lady here. Let me tell you something about Mary Jane, this woman. See, on the surface, you see a lot. But at the base, you don't really know what's going on and the struggles that we all go through. Like, you're like, oh, look at that one at the tippy top. It's getting so much sun. Shining. Glistening. It's a good view. Just awesome. Ooh, and you almost curbside. You got other plants you can talk to. You get full sun. Based on where my home base is and the sun comes up, we get a solid, if you're talking radius, you get a solid 180 of sun here, which is dope. So I know peak sun based on when the sun is around. And give me a sundial. Back to the story. I should say my praise for Miss Mary. Again, I've just been out here for these past couple of years just experimenting, just testing, just taking mental notes, taking physical notes, barely, but a lot of mental notes of like what's happening, how's this plant going, when to snatch it, when to harvest. Soon, I figure out what to do with this one. Respectfully, some people hunt and then they take it to somebody else like a butcher and break that whole thing down. I need a butcher as well. Now here's the thing. I noticed that there's this curve at the base of this plant. And the wildest thing is, it's so strong. That curve is so strong. It said, I'm going to grow. I know there's competition. I even might lose him. I might lose my life. I might get snatched up. Push this one to the side like, nah. Alone, by its pure strength alone, you will live. And for your hard work, I will make a decision. I'm sorry. Well, focus. But you do gotta go, man. Because you are now blocking the path of this strong plant fighting through adversity. I don't know. That's what gardening does. Maybe there's some people who like, oh man, I overthink a lot. I don't know, man. I used to say I don't have no patience. But it's different. It's kind of different. It's like what I'm saying. What I'm pretty much trying to say is it does some good stuff for your mental health when you can see things like this. Let's just say this specifically that I get an opportunity to share with you here. This is personal to me. Because my thoughts are my thoughts. But when I get the opportunity, little slippage. When I get the opportunity to kind of just sit back, just be able to appreciate. So it really does something good for your mental health. What the fudge? My phone keeps trying to take a AI little pixel video. trying to. Anyway, mental health. What does it do for me? With my video messing up and kept like on the AI mode, I can tell you what my mental health was doing. But at the same time, I was like, nah, let's just get back to this. So what I was pretty much saying in a nutshell is like, start growing some seeds, man. I don't know, man. Just get a pot, and put some peas in it. Grow a pea, grow something. It's pretty cool. I used to always say I don't have no patience. I used to always say that. I got no patience. Oh, man, I just got no patience. Am I putting that on myself when I'm saying I have no patience and then I feel like I just have no patience? But what happens is, in the garden sometimes you just lose track of time. Respectfully, you just lose track of time when you're like, oh, man. And respectfully, so I threw these seeds down. Boom, threw them, walked off. On some, what's my name? Jack and the Beanstalk, man. Some Jack and the Beanstalk. Grow some beans, guys. Just grow something. It's pretty cool. Because once it becomes fruitful, then you're like, ooh, I grew that. It's a different kind of pride that you end up getting. Like, ooh, I grew that. That right there, I'm growing that. That's me. 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 That me too. That's all me. That's all me. I did all of that. I planted that too over there. That's going to be like 8 feet tall. That's pretty cool. God planted that one. We not going to touch God's plant. That apple tree's coming in. And I'm proud of that. You just get the opportunity just to even, I don't know, try it. Try this. Peer pressure, try this. Take some. Here, everybody having it. Everybody want it. It's good for you. Take it, man. Feel it. Just take it. And then you end up doing stuff, making decisions. Like, you know what? This plant has gone through it. Look at this. Look at this. Other stuff in the way. I know I said I really get kind of sad about pulling plants and stuff. But in this situation, guys, y'all gonna witness it. So I'm not the only one feeling sad. Yeah! Low key, that was a public execution. Low key, if you really think about that, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to, but I had to. Because she was working so hard. Look at her working so hard, man. Working so hard. You deserve that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, plant. But guess where you gonna go? You're gonna go in the compost. Now you go in the compost. Now you're gonna be back in soil. You're gonna be back in blood. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna come back, born again, helping out for the next raised bed. And that's how the circle of life goes. There is reincarnation in these plants, though. Strawberries been reincarnated, they just spit out. They shoot. My wife told me that. They shoot out, so they're literally just shooting strawberries. Strawberries is growing around it. Pagine, I don't think it does that one. Oh, man, should I make this one the alpha? I think I might just make this one the alpha, guys, because these other ones, they just at the bottom. I feel bad. They're not going to get it. I feel so bad. But at the same time, I bet this plant feels so good. Like, finally, you love me. Have you been seeing me grow this whole time? You didn't see. You only been looking at the top. You've been looking only at my top, and you're just like, ooh, you so pretty. Thanks for checking me out. That was the root problem. My bad, Mary Jane. Some people say you deserve better. I did better. Enjoy the rest of your day. Say 250 years, huh? I don't want to get into it. I don't want to get all color sis and get into it. What I will say is happy birthday, America. Take care of my people. Stay amazing. Power to the people. For my people. Before we was considered people. As soon as I was considered a people and I understood who I was, I knew we was people. So we the people, we need to keep on sticking together. End of it all. And if I could say anything, is grow. Keep on growing. Keep on growing, guys. I know she is. I know she is. See y'all in the future, and hopefully I might even continue more garden. Just showing y'all my connection to certain plants that I have sowed. Bore back fruit to me. Cannabis. Started with collard greens. Beets have been really showing out for me recently. They've been showing out for me.